Alright, what day number is this?
8.
Day number 8. We're driving through Northern California, heading towards Yosemite. Slept incognito, stealthily in a campsite that was closed because of group camping. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Now we're by the Kings Canyon area, right across from that sequoia, which is closed because of fires. Really sucks. But we're going to Yosemite, which also has giant sequoias, ancient giant sequoias, and it's a beautiful valley. So,
Sequoias there? I didn't know
ancient sequoias. They have huge ones.
that. Okay, then it's
I
perfect.
think we can drive through a couple of them. We'll see if we can do it with the trailer.
Drive through the tree?
Through the tree. To the trees! So we headed from Lone Pine to Lee Vinning for the entrance to Yosemite. This is about a 2-hour drive. Ozzy, where do we have breakfast at? Pupfish.
Pupfish?
Was it good?
Did you have any fish?
It was okay.
Did you have a puppy or a fish?
So now we're heading to Yosemite National Park. Look at that. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Freaking sick. To the dirt.
To the dirt. To the dirt. To the dirt.
Where we at, Babs?
Where are we at right now? Big Hines?
Inyo. We at Inyo National Forest.
Oh. Oh, we in Indo.
Inyo.
Inyo.
INYO. Passing a bunch of bristle pines, oldest living organisms that we know of. Somewhere back here is Methuselah, which is like 7,500 years old. Unless some arborist killed it by accident while doing a core sample. That's a big one. Holy moly. Ozzy, what do you think? Is that sick? Apparently it is. Driving to Yosemite is gorgeous. We don't want these squawkers with us.
Squawka flames.
Alright, we're still climbing up towards Yosemite. We're probably at what, like 6,000 feet, 7,000 feet?
Something like that.
We're moving.
We're
Lots-
moving and grooving.
Lots of hills, so we're going a little slower than normal, but alright, here we are. 8,036 feet, Dead Man Summit. A lot of interesting names. Bloody Basin, Horse Thief Canyon, Dead Man Summit.
I wonder if there's a reason why all these names are like that.
Yeah, Death Valley. I don't know. guess-
Yosemite.
When you're going through here with a wagon, it might be a little tougher than with the RLT rig. And the dogs. Dogs keep us safe.
Sure do.
Look at these redwoods. Beautiful out here. Saw bristle cones on the way up. Now we're seeing giant redwoods. Gonna see some giant sequoias here in a little bit. Stoked.
Same.
Mammoth Mountains.
Godzilla.
Wow. Mono Lake.
Where are we at?
We're at Yosemite National Park. This is what, our 5th national park, I think, on this trip.
I think so. Our 8th day.
This guy, yeah, this is unreal. What a beautiful place. Yes, sir, it is beautiful. This is what it's all about. And we're holding up traffic. Oh, we got an Outback coming up to pursue.
We're doing a little passy pass.
Should I speed up so they can't get around?
That's fine. Uh-oh.
I'm just accelerating like I should.
Uh-oh.
All that for this. Outback drivers, never, no chill. Never any chill. It's pretty tall mountains.
Yeah.
48 degrees, we're at 3,400 miles into our trip. Just 4,600 more to go. It's probably gonna be a 7,500 mile road trip. Hey, where we at? Inyo.
Inyo National. Tell me a story.
There once was a boy named Ozzy. He liked to be fussy.
That's true. True story, bruh. Winnebago. Wow.
Winnebago's responsible for the 4Runner. Now it's a lot of cars. After a quick photo op, we got back on the road and quickly found ourselves in a very long line. 3 hours later. I asked the park ranger how far it was to Yosemite Valley and told us it was a 2-hour drive. But at least it was absolutely stunning. Check this out. Here we are in Yosemite. Beautiful place. Look at these giant redwoods. Alright, we're at 10 Yaw Lake, driving by because we're gonna find a bathroom.
About to do a little squatty potty.
Everything's closed. All the roads are being worked on, so can't get to the normal facilities. Look, there's like a beach over here. There's gotta be a bathroom over here.
Yeah.
It's cool. Giant redwoods. No guardrail.
I'm scared.
No brakes.
Yeah, this person's just laying on the brakes.
Head crossing. Head sinking. Oh.
Wow. I think that's the village down there.
Crazy down here. Yosemite. Oscar, jump off. Huge, like.
Good boy. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back.
Our time in Yosemite was surreal, including the drive in and the drive out. With the massive granite peaks surrounding us and the amazing trees and animals in the valley, it was bittersweet heading back to the truck and heading out to the next destination. Yosemite remains on our places to visit, and we look forward to spending more time in this incredible national park. Heading out from Yosemite, we continue the journey west towards the Pacific Ocean and the halfway point of our journey. Stay tuned as the road less traveled continues west. to the Pacific.